What's going on, you guys? Jeremy here, giving you a little house tour of the Mastermind house. So let's get into it. As you can see, pretty solid place. We got what, 5 or 6 of us here, and honestly, we're just kind of hanging out for the weekend. Everyone here too has been a previous student of mine, which is really cool to kind of see where everybody started, where everybody's at now, and kind of just come together and host them in a place like this. It's really cool, and it's funny. Let's I'll give you a tour. We'll go up top, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. I remember 3-4 years ago, I always dreamed of kind of doing something like this, like hosting a mastermind in a beautiful spot, and just kind of having other guys all come together who are all kind of on a similar mission and building similar companies too. So it's pretty cool to kind of see that come to fruition, and good reminder to just never stop, because your hard work will pay off one day. So yeah, let's keep going. Don't want to waste too much time, but yeah, as you can see, it's pretty nice crib, pretty nice spot. Up here we got the chill pad. Last night we had a couple glasses of wine, a couple cigars, and something tells me we're gonna do something similar tonight. So yeah, so let's keep rolling. I think these trees are pretty cool too. It's literally the end of January in Canada, but it feels like we're in Hawaii or something. It's cool. But yeah, so right here we've got a little fireplace. Not too active right now, but over here, give you a tour of the outside first, and we'll go inside. But got the hot tub here, which is pretty dope. And then got this spot over here. As you can see, we got the remnants of last night still here. The fire going. All the boys kind of sitting here chatting, talking life, talking business. Over here, got Ethan using the putting green. Close, but yeah, it's pretty sick. And then we'll turn around here and go through the front door as well. Yeah, my name's Jeremy. Welcome to my crib. So over here we got a couple of the boys. Got Jeremy, Bob. Nice little spot. Record some content over here in about probably 20 minutes. Right after this video, probably we're gonna all just kind of sit down around the table here and just kind of go one by one around the table. Everyone just kind of tells exactly where we're at, what the main problems are right now, and then we're just going to kind of come together to solve everybody's problems, identify and kind of fix everyone's bottlenecks, and pretty much show them all how to make a ton of money. So it's pretty cool. I know Ethan outside just built a VSL, so we're going to pick that apart a little bit, go over his ads, same with the other guys too. But yeah, this wall is pretty sick too. It's just a big feature once you walk in the door, just kind of very in your face, but I like it. Anyways, over here, got some closets, little kind of guest bathroom. Got the office in here, so probably gonna record a couple videos in here, and it'd be pretty cool. And then show you guys the kitchen, kind of the living room. So last night we kind of just hung out around here, drank some wine, had a little bit of scotch, and fireplace is super nice too. And then obviously it just opens up there as well. The kitchen's pretty cool. We got a butler kitchen in the back too, literally like a full-size kitchen. Downstairs is not too much, just kind of goes down to the garage and stuff, so we'll save you some time, but come on out. I like the tall windows here too. It's pretty sweet. Just I don't know, lets a lot of light in. Same with this guy up here. But I'll show you the master. This is where it's my room, obviously, and it's pretty sweet. So get the bed, nice little spot here for some coffee, maybe a little gar in the morning. Catch some sun rays. And then in here as well, got a nice, pretty small walk-in closet. You know, it's nothing too crazy, nothing too big. And then over here, the bathroom's pretty sick too. Big tub, nice shower, and all of that. But yeah, so that's pretty much the house. But kind of one of the big things as well, like kind of one of the main takeaways here is it's just like so cool to kind of see everything kind of come into fruition, because like I literally remember like probably 4 years ago when I was kind of just getting into the space, learning a little bit about like, I don't know, just online business in general. I always thought it'd be so cool to kind of like bring people together in a really sick place like this and just kind of talk business, hang out. Everyone's kind of on the same path, building something similar too. And we all just kind of help each other move forward. And sure enough, now it's starting to kind of come to fruition. But another thing too is like, it's important to reward yourself. It's important to like understand there's going to be two different types of seasons. So there's like seasons of sowing where you're planting the seeds and like you're just grinding, head down, blinders on, you're just building, and that's kind of it. But then once you do that for a period of a few months, like naturally you're probably gonna get a little burnt out, right? So it's really important that like you kind of like consciously, purposely take a step back and reward yourself for the hard work. It's like you're kind of like training a dog, but you're training like your mind. It's like work really hard, put a lot of the work in, but then on the other hand, like start to enjoy it a little bit, right? Because it's not so much about the end goal and what we're trying to accomplish. It's about like kind of enjoying the journey along the way, right? So obviously this costs a little bit of money, but it's like, what am I working so hard for? You know, it's like we got to enjoy the process, because 10 years from now, 30 years from now, 50 years from now, if we don't, then we're going to look back and kind of regret it. But like stuff like this is like, you're never going to forget something like this, and just experiences and stuff like with really awesome people as well. It's like, that's what you're going to remember. That's what you're going to take with you as well. And you just learn a lot from everybody here. You learn a lot from just kind of like talking about life, about business, and just kind of everyone sharing their own perspectives and hearing about what everyone's building too. Because everyone's like kind of this like a different niche, but like the same principles apply nonetheless. So it's just really cool to kind of surround yourself with others doing something fairly similar, and just kind of enjoying the fruits of your labor a little bit. So if you've been grinding really hard, like I do encourage you to kind of take a bit of a step back for a day or two, maybe go get a nice place and just kind of like give your younger self a little pat on the back, say, hey, good work. And yeah, but we'll leave it at that. Definitely going to go record some more videos right now, but yeah, we got to get downstairs. We got to get masterminding and solve some problems here. So I'm super stoked for it. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.